In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple and effective way to make a file read-only in SharePoint. Whether you're looking to prevent accidental edits or need to restrict access for specific users, understanding how to modify file permissions is an essential skill for managing your SharePoint environment efficiently. Let's start by heading over to your SharePoint site, where you'll want to navigate to the library containing the file or folder you wish to protect. It's crucial to ensure that you're in the right place within your SharePoint site, as missteps here can lead to unnecessary confusion later on. Once you're in the correct library, locate the specific file or folder. You'll notice three little dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, right next to your item. Click on these to bring up a menu with a variety of actions you can perform. From this menu, select Manage Access. This option is your gateway to tailoring who can do what with your file or folder. In the Manage Access pane that appears, look for a link or button labeled Advanced or Advanced Permissions. Depending on your SharePoint layout, it might also be called Advanced Settings. Clicking on this will redirect you to what is known as the Classic Permissions page. This page is where the real magic happens, as it contains the detailed settings you need to adjust file access. Now that you're on the Classic Permissions page, you'll see an option that says Stop Inheriting Permissions. This is a pivotal step. By clicking on this, you effectively break the permission inheritance from the parent. What does this mean? Essentially, any permissions that the file or folder inherited from its parent library or site will be halted. It's like stopping a river's current so that you can control how water flows from a specific point onward. With inheritance stopped, it's time to adjust permissions for specific users or groups. For each user or group you want to restrict, click on their current permissions. Then, select Edit User Permissions. You'll be offered different permission levels. What you want here is to set them to Read or View only, depending on what's available in your SharePoint version. This setting ensures users can still see the file, but prevents any edits. Finally, take a moment to remove other permissions that would otherwise allow editing. This could include permissions like Edit or Contribute. It's essential to go through this step carefully to ensure there are no lingering permissions that could undermine your efforts. By following these steps, you've successfully made the file or folder read-only for the selected users or groups. You've taken an important step in controlling access and maintaining the integrity of your files in SharePoint. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through this process.